I just got a delivery in from Gel Essentialz. Only purchased maybe like 5 items. Everything that I purchased is from Ugly Duckling. First off, I purchased their shiny and matte top coat, and everything that I purchased is HEMA free. And I have been dying to try out their shiny and matte top coat, and I love the fact that these are now HEMA free. And I also purchased their Cupid collection. I know that one is a cream, one is a glitter, and one is a cat eye. So let's start with number 55. That is a gorgeous red. Now on screen, it looks a little bit brighter, but in person, this is a nice like dark color. A little bit darker than what you're seeing on screen. Oh, that is gorgeous. And oh my God, that is absolutely amazing. And that is one coat. I will end up doing 2 coats because I swatch everything on the inside. Next up is number 56. Now I think this one is the cat eye. Oh my goodness. Let me get I think this one is the cat eye. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I do like that it's not like 100% full coverage. It is a little bit sheer to start off with, so it almost gives it like a jelly finish to it. And I do have some of their other cat eyes. So what I like to do with their cat eyes is I like to take away the cat eye on the first look. So it gives it like a jelly look to it, which is an option. Let's go on to coat number 2 of number 56. And then this is where we will be playing around with the cat eye and the magnet. And it still has a nice like jelly finish to it. I absolutely love their cat eye gel polishes. It's just like subtle. Right there. Can you see that? Can you see that? There we go. Pop that right in the lamp. And last number is 57. Oh, can we see that glitter and that sparkle? Oh my goodness. That is absolutely amazing. Now this is just as sheer as the cat eye gel polish, but that is absolutely okay. We can work for a buildable coverage. That is okay. Once I swatched everything out, here is what it looks like. From left to right, you have number 55, 56, and 57. Let me know what everyone's favorite color is. And I will talk to everyone later. Bye.